Alright, same day, cut the videos up. But, like y'all saw the last video, we got this big old box. Let's open it on up. Come on, Roger. Come on now. Let's open this bad boy up.
Ooh. There's nothing in there.
There ain't nothing up in there. You right. Cause you know what? Who I thought was gonna hit the car. Come on, let's go. Come on over here. You know what I'm saying? We got this T1R titanium exhaust, boy. Come on, let's show me this. Ooh,
Is that
noise.
Nah, I can't even steal that because that's fresh kicks.
Noise.
But that's dope.
But look, we're gonna start unwrapping this so y'all can see the full thing. So, put that in the camera, Roddy. All right, so here's the full exhaust. I was gonna like underneath of it. God, the details of this is so nice. Look at the beads on it. It's like all throughout the exhaust. It's just down the tips. It's everywhere. I'll go to where you probably won't ever see any welds. Like right here. They are perfect.
Hey,
I'm glad I got this.
I got one question.
What's the question, dog?
Will it fit the Mini?
Nah, it won't. This is fitted just for S2000s and S2000s only. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, we're gonna put this on one by one. And yeah, hold on, put that on. Don't you put that on, yeah. Because I'm not sure how those go, because the stock exhaust used to have two metal points.
Pop on.
Isn't that what you think?
It is what it is.
All right, we're gonna take this one by one, piece by piece, and bolt it up, and then we're gonna put on the actual mufflers and tip last. So.
Well, that's what you usually do at an exhaust install.
I know, dog. This is my first exhaust install, so let's see how it goes. This is a first for most of the stuff I'm doing, so let's do it. All right, so we're underneath. I take the camera off the tripod, but we got Roddy down on this end, putting those bolts right there. What are you doing, bro?
I was just
put them bolts in.
I'm chilling, man.
Man, I'm just chilling.
I'm Broadman from the fifth flow.
Broadman from the fifth flow.
If anyone knows where that's from, you're an OG.
Yeah, drop a comment down below if you know Broadman from the fifth flow.
From the y'all. We back.
Yeah, we is back with another pipe.
Yeah, what's that?
I don't even know what to call it. I'm gonna call it a mid pipe. Even though it's not in the mid, it's in the rear, but it's the middle of this pipe and the muffler. So I'm gonna call this the mid pipe.
I think yeah, you're right.
So I got this gasket. We never showed us putting the gas on that one, but yeah, we got gaskets over here, you know what I'm saying? I'm right here, bro, man.
I got from the fifth flow. I got last gasket.
I got these. I got these. Hey, man, where Chuck?
Oh, I thought Chop was up here. Oh, that's another video.
Hey, it's a beautiful day out here in these legal streets.
Yep. Man, this finna be a breeze. This finna be a
breeze.
Shout out to that man, Haha Davis.
Alright, so we on to this last part, man. My car finna look really nice with this blue burnt tip on that Suzuka Blue. Let's get it. Oh wow, look at the reflection. Oh yeah, look at that Canon G7S. Okay, well, anyway, oh, look at the coil of, oh look at the sway bar, oh look at the end link.
Bro.
Oh, look at the ball joint.
Bro, shut up. Stop flexing. Cause any of these parts can fit on the Mini Cooper.
Alright, anyway, we're gonna get this nice little satisfying moment of me ripping off this nice little sticker, you know what I'm saying?
Oh man, it says right here it's fake.
Why did you rip it?
It says right there it's fake. Let me see that. This man bought a fake exhaust, y'all. It's fake.
Alright, now for what all y'all been waiting to see. Let's start it on up. Start it on up. But yes, dude, this is freaking awesome. Let me see if I can get it underneath. I'm gonna tilt it upside down, make y'all kind of twist it, but yeah. Looks nice. Alright, so we gotta talk about the intake. As you can see, I don't have the OEM intake. The OEM intake was like white with like a green end or whatever on it. And then the piping kind of had like a honeycomb mesh or squared mesh to it. So I went on ahead and upgraded to just this, but somehow I ended up getting this whole thing from Ballade Sports. I'm not sure if I accidentally did that or Ballade Sports just did it because I bought so much stuff from them.
But hey, shout out to them guys.
But shout out to Ballade Sports, my boy Alex Doan at Ballade Sports.
So that's Ballade Sports. So yeah.
There's it right there, and it's real nice. It was pretty easy to install. All I had to do was just undo a clamp right here. I believe there's a clamp right here. Take off these hoses. There was one right here. This is just a block off. I'm pretty sure, like, I don't really know what goes there, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Being straight
Probably
up.
like a vacuum or something.
Yeah.
Who knows?
But it was pretty simple. Just, God, it's freaking windy.
Yeah, it's windy. Sorry, guys.
But it was a pretty simple install. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. But I'm gonna end the video right here, but it's not over with, because after this, after you see me speak, you're gonna see some exhaust clips of like the car taking off, starting up, driving down the street and stuff.
Cold
and
starts.
y'all just tell me how y'all like it, because I mean, it's pretty different from most exhausts that I've seen. But I feel like you guys will like it. And if you ever go to like a car meet or something and I'm there, maybe you'll be able to see and hear the exhaust. So thank you, stay tuned, and check out the exhaust clips.
So yeah, it's not droney. It's very, how would you put it, Ralph?
It's just deep. Like, it doesn't have like none of that like D-cell raspiness to it. It just sounds perfect. I don't know what to say. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna go a little farther up and I'm gonna drop my brother off so we can get some flybys.
Yeah, he's gonna drop me off.
I'm thinking about dropping you off.
Yeah, I'll go over there in the woods.
Here, you can get out right here, you know what I'm saying?
All right.
Yeah, get out right here. Y'all gonna be with my brother for a little bit.
Oh man, ah boy. All right. Wow. I'd have to say the S2000 definitely has balls now. It was a girl's car. Now it's slowly turning into a man's car. I'm proud of you, Ralph. Very proud of you.